good evening. This is Astronomy at Home. I am June Cahigal. So, today is June 5 at around 11:30 p.m. And we are observing an almost full moon. Well, in a few minutes, it will be a full moon officially. Okay. And also, in a few hours from now, we will be observing what we call a penumbral lunar eclipse. So, what do we mean by a penumbral lunar eclipse? So, later, the moon will pass through the penumbral shadow of the earth. So, when you say penumbral shadow, that's the lighter shadow that is cast upon by the earth, and the moon will later pass through that penumbral shadow. So what do we expect in a penumbral lunar eclipse? So we will see, or we will expect, a slight dimming of the moon. So there will be a slight dimming of the moon later at around the 2:30, 3 o'clock at its maximum. Okay, so later, we will be observing the moon again, early morning of June 6, and let's see the difference in terms of the moon's brightness. A penumbral lunar eclipse is not really spectacular as compared to a partial or a total lunar eclipse. Okay, so before anything else, let's increase the magnification of our camera. By the way, we are using a cell phone camera. The cell phone is attached to this reflecting telescope. And we are viewing the moon live. Wow! Isn't that fantastic? Look at the moon. The moon looks like a big cookie. Wow! Really, it looks like a big cookie. Okay. So let's increase the magnification and let's view some of the details of our moon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so we can see here some details of the moon. Right, so the moon has dark areas. Those dark areas or dark patches are lunar plains. Okay, so at the center of our field of view, we have the Sea of Tranquility. Okay, and that's where the Apollo 11 landed. Okay, then, all right, fantastic. Okay, then these bright areas of the moon are mountains and cratered areas of the moon. You can see that big crater at the center. That's the Tycho crater, created by meteor impacts. Alright, and we have here the Copernicus crater at the center, also created by a meteor impact. Wow! Amazing! Increase the magnification. You can see the Tycho crater. Wow! Really is amazing. Wow! I can even sing a song. I was walking in the moon one day. Gusto kong pumunta sa buwan. I was walking in the moon one day. Gusto kong pumunta sa buwan. Wow! Amazing. Okay. So let's put the moon back to its regular size. Whoa. Whoa. Fantastic. That's our moon. And in a few hours, we will be comparing the brightness of the moon. So It's about 11:35 p.m. and we will be observing the moon later at around 2:30 or 3 o'clock. And let's see the difference in brightness, because later the moon, we will be witnessing a penumbral lunar eclipse the early morning of June 6. Okay, so this is June Kahigal signing off temporarily, but we will be back at around 2:30 or 3 o'clock. Okay, so we have clear skies and thank you for watching. Hello, good morning once again. This is Astronomy at Home. I'm June Kahigal and we are now observing the full moon. But this is special because we are witnessing a penumbral lunar eclipse. Okay, the eclipse started at around 1 a.m. and right now it's 3:30. We are now at the peak of the eclipse. Now, a penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes through the Earth's penumbral shadow. So, what do we expect? So, we expect a slight dimming of the moon. And look at the image seen through the telescope. So, there is really a slight dimming near that area where the Tycho crater is located. So you really need to have a sharp eye on this. It is really difficult to observe a penumbral lunar eclipse as compared to a total or a partial lunar eclipse. Okay. So there you have it. Let's magnify the image. Alright. Okay, so there is a decrease in brightness of the moon. Okay, a penumbral lunar eclipse really is difficult to observe. You really need a keen eye to observe that decrease in brightness. Okay, let's return the moon to its normal size. Okay. Alright. So there you have it. Okay. So that's our penumbral lunar eclipse. Okay, so yeah, there is a decrease in brightness. Okay. Alright. So we are now at the peak of the eclipse. Okay. Alright, so there are no clouds and you can see that darker region near the north part of the moon. Okay, and also that area near the Tycho crater. So there's really a decrease in brightness in those areas. Alright, fantastic. Okay, so I guess that's all for today. Check out our Facebook page, Pelan Society of Young Astronomers, and also our Facebook page, the Manila Street Astronomers. Alright, amazing our moon. Okay, so this is June Kahigal, Astronomy at Home. Clear skies to everybody and stay safe.